This video demonstrates the basic functions of the LaMotte 2020we meter, which is compliant with EPA turbidity regulations, and the LaMotte 2020we meter, which meets ISO turbidity requirements, including startup, calibration, and measurement of the turbidity samples. This kit comes complete with a carrying case, 2020we or WI meter, 6 sample tubes, 3 AMCO calibration standards, 0, 1, and 10 NTU or FNU, 1 water sample bottle, a USB cable and wall plug adapter, room for optional items such as the car charger, detailed, easy-to-read instruction manual and quick guides. The standards come in either NTU or FNU units. The NTU standards are for use with the 2020we EPA version. The FNU standards are for use with the 2020we ISO version. On the meter you will find the power button, the backlight display on and off button, the up and down scroll buttons, the action enter button, the action exit button, the sample cell holder with indicator arrow for sample cell alignment, the USB port located behind the replacement watertight plug. Always be sure to calibrate your meter over the smallest range possible. Select standards that will encompass your sample range. We recommend that you calibrate daily and that only AMCO standards be used. Any other calibration standard will result in an improper calibration of the meter. Begin by inverting the standard, rinse sample tube, fill tube with 0 NTU. Dry the tube. On the labels provided, write 0 for the 0 NTU standard or the standard value used and place the label on the top of the tube. Press the power button to turn the meter on. Select Measure. Select Turbidity blank. Insert blank, making sure to align the indicator arrows with the line on the tube. Close lid. Press Enter. Remove blank and place the 1 NTU standard into the chamber and press Enter to scan sample. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the calibration to 1 and press Enter to store. To calibrate the meter across a larger range, follow the same procedure for the 0 and then use the 10 NTU standard to calibrate. Your meter is now calibrated and ready to use. Press the power button to turn the meter on. Select Measure. Select Turbidity with 0 NTU. Wipe the tube and place into the chamber, being sure to align the indicator arrow with the line on the tube. Press Enter to scan sample. Dry the sample tube. Place the sample tube into the chamber. Press Enter to scan sample. Sample value is displayed.